So I'm down like $9.
It's about 6. I'm about to head out for work.
To ask yourself is, are you where your feet are? Where you are physically? Are you mentally there?
Yeah, I'm making some money.
A lot of times people say bad things come in threes. For the most part, that one bad thing affects everything else.
Yo, what's up, guys? Just want to keep this short as of right now. I'm in 2 trades. 2 trades that I'm pretty confident in, but I wouldn't be surprised if I experience some drawdown within the next few minutes to hours. But the 2 trades, and let me separate these. UJ and GJ, which are, you could say they're pretty correlated. I would say so. Let me take these off. Let's lock in. But for real though, how are y'all doing? Hope y'all had a great day. For me, myself, I had a good day. Good day at work, man. Another day, another opportunity. First pair is UJ. So UJ going on the daily. Obviously, we hit this area of support as we were bearish for a certain point. And now in the 4-hour, notice that we pretty much broke structure with this bullish run to the upside, broke both of these highs and broke above this previous area of support, came above, broke that previous area of resistance, and now playing as an area of support. Simple stuff. It's basically a floor and a ceiling. It broke the ceiling and used it as a floor. Like, simple. Okay, so going down to the hourly, notice that we have a slight higher low right here. We have 2 rejection candles to this area of support, which I'm really liking. On the 15-minute candle or time frame, I actually got in 2 entries so far. So first entry was, I believe it was here, and second entry was, I think, somewhere up here. So yeah, I'm in 2 entries. Not big entries. I still only have $500 after losing over $3,000. So yeah, I got 500 in the account, so I'm going to risk down for this position, at least for right now, because like I said, I'm expecting to be in drawdown as price potentially even comes all the way down here, creating a triple bottom to potentially have another rejection to move to that upside. But tomorrow, I believe we do have news. What do we have? What's tomorrow? Thursday? Yeah. PPI. So pretty highly impacting news. So we're just going to have to see. I'm most likely just going to gauge this in the morning, see whether I want to stay in this or get out before news. And then next is GJ. We're starting the 4-hour. We are bullish currently in pretty much the same scenario where we broke that previous area of resistance or the ceiling and used it as a floor or area of support. So we've already received some rejections to that floor. Going down to the 15-minute time frame, you see that a little more. We have rejections right here, and pretty much all right here. So I really like this candle right here being a hammer candle, and so I entered, I believe I only got in 1 entry. I think it was right here. So as of right now, I'm in drawdown for all positions. I'm not tripping, I'm not stressing. It is what it is. That should be here. So with my stop loss, I chose to be a little more conservative, so that's why I put it all the way down here. I believe that all the way down here, this is a pretty valid point, and it gives my trade some room for price to come all the way down here, coming back to create another bottom here. It gives it room to come all the way back down below even this low, and it still gives me room to stay in the trade. So we're just gonna see how far price moves down, if it even does move down, how long will it fluctuate, and mostly how it will conduct itself during London session, which would be 3 a.m. So we're just gonna have to see. I will not be awake at that time. So yeah, I may set an alarm just to wake up at around 3 or 4. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. I'll give y'all an update later. All right, man. So next morning, it's about 6. I'm about to head out for work. I lost the trade. Let me show you guys. I forgot to place a stop loss for one of the positions. I'm gonna hold that one. I believe things will kind of correct itself and head towards that bullish move that I was talking about. My count is at good standings, I would say. It's a little below 400, so I still have room to trade. I'll keep updating y'all whether I get in or not. Yo, so my camera look like it's about to die. But yeah, I'm on the way to freaking Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Dollar something. But right now, I'm pretty much, let me see my position. Bro. Because I looked on the charts and it kind of went to the upside. So I'm down like $9 on that one position that I forgot to put a stop loss on. So we'll just see. I believe that it will go to the upside overall and over time. I may add to that position if it does present a pullback right now. So we had CPI today. So that's where we are. But yeah, man, it's like, it is what it is. I can only focus on the trade itself and everything that I controlled, and that's the only thing that I could literally work on. So this dude is on my back. God dang. I'm about to get some spray bottles for the office. How y'all doing today though? For real though. Hope y'all are doing good. I'm doing alright. This trade does not affect me at all. I've put in the work to not allow trades like this, negative trades, to impact my life outside of trading. It's important to keep trading within trading. It's like you go to the club and you're like, hey man, what happened at the club stays at the club. Hey, what happens in the markets stays within the markets while you're in front of the computer, in front of the markets. A common question you have to ask yourself is, are you where your feet are? Basically saying that where you are physically, are you mentally there? So if I'm at work and I'm thinking about trading and I'm thinking about a negative trade, I'm there at work physically, but I'm not mentally there. I'm not gauged, I'm not locked in, because I'm thinking about trading. Then that's gonna mess up work. Then that's gonna mess up something else, and that will negatively affect my pay, which will negatively impact something else. So I mean, a lot of times people say bad things come in threes. For the most part, that one bad thing affects everything else. So a major part in my life, a major objective, is to not allow one bad thing ruin other things, or allow one bad thing to ruin all the good things that are happening in life. So take that and just run with it. But I'm about to run in this store and get these spray bottles real quick. Yo, I honestly, I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say. At this point, I don't know. I'm pretty much out of it. I'm done.
I'm done, bro. Lost $4,000 in 2 weeks. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say.
Just getting home not too long ago. But when I did get home, I took a fat nap, bro. I crashed on the bed. Like, you see this spot right here? That spot right there? I was gone. But why am I recording right now? I lost another freaking trade. Another one, bro. Another one. Back to back. Where my account went from 4,000 to 500 last week, and now my account is like a little over 100. I ain't gotta say too much. Let me show you all the results. So, move myself out the way. Down here, you guys can see how much I lost, bro. These 5 positions. So, negative 41, negative 94, negative 104, negative 50, negative 34. So, as of right now, my account is basically at like $200, which I'm not that mad, but still, it's disappointing in the sense that, like I mentioned, back to back losses. So at a certain point, it's like, okay, I'm banging my head against the wall. What do I need to do to troubleshoot? What type of troubleshooting do I need to do in order for me to get back on the right track? So just seeing my position go completely opposite of what I thought, and it literally surprised me. I was like, what? It shocked me, surprised me, and disappointed me all at the same time, and all created like one emotion all at the same time. As I was looking at it during work, I was so perplexed. What is going on? So this has happened to me before where I felt that. So oftentimes I would need to take a break, not a long break, not a weekly break, but just a slight break for me to look back and properly look at everything top to bottom, understand where I'm going wrong, and getting back into it, because this is unacceptable for me. I understand that the results are not all that matters. It's the process, and that's all you can control, but something is obviously wrong here. So I was definitely a bit disappointed and discouraged earlier today, but as of right now, I'm level-headed, and all I want to do is improve. So I will take this time, maybe an hour, to kind of go over where I went wrong, look at some YouTube videos, and just further study how to properly analyze and trade pullbacks. So, because these have been the primary trades that I've been taking are just pullback trades for that continuation move, and it's just no bueno. It's just not going well as of right now. Right now, what I see right here, let me go to the hourly. We obviously don't see a break of structure, whereas I thought I saw a break of structure on the lower time frames, like 5-15 minute, and that makes me think maybe I'm spending too much time on these lower time frames. I heavily took precedence of these support and resistance levels where I was anticipating the buys from there. So that's why last night, bought here for the anticipation that it was going to go long based on the support. Didn't do that, broke. Anticipated this earlier today, got in again, broke. So it's like support and resistance is a confluence, but it's not everything. it all really starts with structure and waiting for that break of structure on the, I would say the hourly, at least hourly to 30-minute time frames to look at that break of structure. I've been looking on the 5 and 15-minute, thinking I'm seeing a break of structure, and it's, even when you look down here, it's like you don't really see much of a break of structure. So in a sense, I really broke my rules because there's no break of structure we're seeing. What I mean by that is we have lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher low basically, but all, we don't see any breaks above the previous high. It's all just correlating below, and now we're finally potentially getting that break of structure. But I've been getting in on these areas of support, trying to get that best entry. I think that's what it was. I was trying to get the best entry possible, which is why I was anticipating a move from here. But all I can do is say this is a learning experience for me. Earlier today, I kept telling myself, like, bro, you're a failure, bro. Like, what is this? What are you doing? You spend too much time doing trading. You spend so much of your resources on this, and this is what we're getting out of this. You want to show your parents, you want to show everyone that you can do this, that this is something you solely want to do, but you showing stats like this. No, hold on. You showing stats like this. Everything is red, bro. Like, what is this, bro? Man, well, my coworker asked me today. He was like, "Man, I know you better go home and do some trading, man. I know you better make some money. You been making some money recently?" Man, I lied. Yeah, man. Yeah, I've been making some money. Hell no. But yeah, guys, this is just a process. Everything is just a process. So if you're in this position, stay within the process. Understand that many of the most successful traders, all of them, have been through this point. It's just a matter of a few tweaks. It may be one, it may be two, maybe three. Refine and focus on those tweaks solely so that you can reverse everything. That's all it takes. I started to realize that it can take one little change to change every single thing, and for things to go in your favor, for you to become a profitable trader. Yeah, that's a little reflection. Appreciate y'all for watching. This is a little, like a series, like a daily thing, trying to go over the trade and see how things were, my mindset, all of that. So, negative trade. I'll give it an F. Damn. I'll catch you on the next video, though.